Who among us wouldn't be intrigued by the prospect of making money online? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we journey through the top 5 ways to create an income from the comfort of your own home, using just the internet and your unique skills. Buckle up and let's dive in. First on our list is affiliate marketing. In this digital age, affiliate marketing holds a prominent position. It involves partnering with a business or brand and promoting their products or services on your platform. For every purchase made through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but with the freedom to choose what you want to sell and to whom. The success of affiliate marketing lies in the trust you build with your audience and the quality of the products you promote. Secondly, consider offering online courses or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific field, whether it's coding, cooking, or even gardening, you can package that knowledge into a course and sell it online. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website can serve as the stage for your digital classroom. The beauty of this method is that you create the course once, but it continues to generate income for as long as it's available. Our third recommendation is freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have made it easier than ever to find freelance work. Whether your skill set lies in graphic design, writing, programming, or even voiceover work, there's a market for you. The key to successful freelancing is delivering high-quality work consistently and building a strong professional reputation. Coming in at number 4 is starting a blog or a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic and love sharing your thoughts and ideas, this could be a perfect fit. Through ad revenue, sponsored content, and even merchandise sales, a successful blog or YouTube channel can become a significant source of income. Remember, consistency and authenticity are vital to growing and maintaining an engaged audience. Voici, finally, consider developing an app or a software. If you have a knack for coding, creating an app or software that solves a problem or fills a need can be a lucrative venture. It may seem daunting, but with numerous resources available online, even beginners can take a stab at it. Once developed, your app or software can be sold or monetized